Allstate is raising California home insurance rates by 34%. That is an average, believe it or not, an average up 34%. Max Gordon joins us. He's in Malibu, California. Max, how is that 34% average increase justified?
Well, according to Allstate, it's all about the amount of risk that they're taking on. We've seen home building prices and repair costs go up with inflation, as we've been reporting on. And then there's also been an uptick in severe weather events here in California, namely wildfire. As these wildfires have gotten larger, more destructive, insurance companies say they've needed to raise rates in the state. Not only did California's Department of Insurance recently approve Allstate's request to raise rates by an average of 34%, State Farm is also applying for a 30% rate increase for home insurance. This after State Farm pulled out of some California neighborhoods where they've deemed the risk to be too high, and they're no longer issuing new home insurance policies in the state. Meanwhile, Liberty Mutual, they are ending their dwelling fire policies in California. We talked with a homeowner in the Sacramento area, Larry Langford, who said Liberty Mutual recently ended his insurance after around 30 years of coverage because too much debris in his yard and trees in his yard that they said posed too big of a risk.
We're very disheartened that these companies are trying to get out of the state of California. I understand it because of the policies and the rules within the state. The expenses, et cetera, the policies from the government or whoever you want to talk about, but they're looking to get out. And it saddens me to know that these companies are trying to flee out of California.
And while the combination of wildfires and an increase in construction costs have dealt a blow to insurance companies' bottom lines, some consumer advocates say that it's being used as an excuse to raise rates further than they need to for the sake of profit.
Those are real drivers of legitimate increases, but what they're doing now is taking advantage. They're creating shortages, and they're saying to the insurance commissioner, you approve what we're demanding quickly, or we're just going to keep pulling out of the state, and people won't be able to buy insurance at all.
Now, California does have an insurer of last resort, the FAIR plan, which covers fire. And with a dwindling number of insurance options, this FAIR plan is becoming some folks' only option. Stu?
Another problem for California, right? Max Gordon right there. Thanks very much, Max.
Yep.